A predefined identifier that has a special meaning in a Java program inside comments and strings is called keyword. A keyword is a reserved word in Java language. In Java language means inside a compiler and JVM software that perform a unique operation. Okay, then we have two rules on keyword. We cannot use a keyword as user-defined identifier. We cannot use keyword as a user-defined identifier. We cannot use keyword as our own program name. We must use keyword with all its characters lowercase because every keyword is defined with all characters lowercase. Okay, na? Right. The next we have learned a keyword that is used for communicating with the compiler and JVM to perform one special operation is we'll use a keyword per. Okay, we'll use keyword for communicating with the compiler and JVM to perform one special operation. For example, class keyword used for telling to compiler we want to create a program of type class, and we use static keyword to tell to compiler we want to allocate memory. Okay, next we want to tell to compiler that by using keyword int we want to tell to compiler that memory I want to create of type integer type. Okay, fine. Then using keyword we are performing some special operations. What are the operations we can perform? Inside a Java file we can perform totally 10 operations. What are the 10 operations? Package creation and usage, class creation, variable and method creation, memory allocation, controlling flow of execution, setting access level permission, setting execution level permissions, establishing inheritance relation. Variable and method creation, 5 keywords are not sufficient. I need more. So now it's the time we need to list out all the keywords under each category. Are you ready? Open notes. We need to write open notes. Do you have notes? Are you maintaining the notes pen and paper? Are coming just like a movie? You are coming to the just like a movie to watch. Okay, now I'm going to type all keywords along with me. You also try to learn. Now tell me, first category keywords, 0, 1. Package creation and usage. For package creation and usage, we have two keywords. Okay, what are the two keywords? Number 1, package. Number 2, import. Okay, now for package creation, we have two keywords, package and import. Next category. What is the next category? Class creation. For class creation, we have three keywords. What are the three keywords? Continuation number you take. Class, continuation number, class, interface, enum. Enum keyword available from Java 1.5 version. Third, variable and methods creation. Okay, the keywords used for creating variables are called data types. Okay, the variables created, the data type, the keywords used for creating variables are called data types. Data types and return types. Data types and return types. How many data types? Data types are used for creating variables. Return types are used for creating methods. Data types and return types. How many are there? No, 8 plus 1. How many are there? 8 plus 1. Can you tell me what is the meaning of 8 plus 1? What is the meaning of 8 plus 1? 9. Totally how many keywords are there? 9. Okay. If I say 9, I would write 9 here. But I have written 8 plus 1. What is the meaning of it? Wonderful. 8 data types, 1 return type. If it is 8 data types and 1 return type, I would write 8 comma 1 or 8 and 1. Why I have written plus? Okay, you will understand. Let me write first. Continuation number only you write, okay? 6. 6 1 byte short int long give one line gap float double give one line gap char boolean. Char boolean and void. Last one is void. Then try to answer why I am telling 8 plus 1. Listen, byte to boolean, byte to boolean, these are data types used for creating okay, act as both data types and return types for creating both variables and methods. Okay, for both variables and methods. Whereas void, if you take, it acts as only return type. Okay, for creating method. So using void, we cannot create variable. Using void, we can create only method. Now tell me, what the meaning of 8 plus 1? How many data types are there? 8 data types. How many return types are there? 9. Not 1, 9. How many data types? 8. How many return types? 9. But I cannot write here 9. If I write here 9, what you feel? Totally how many keywords are there? 17 keywords are there, you will feel. That's why I have written 8 plus 1. The same 8 can be used as what? Return types also. Hope you understand what the meaning of 8 plus 1. Okay. Have you written notes? Are you writing? Okay. So can you please try to answer all keywords? Are you revise? Quickly revise. Let us by heart. And tell me now. First keyword. First category, package creation and usage. How many keywords are there? 2 keywords. What are the 2 keywords? Package and import. Next category, class creation. How many keywords are there? 3. What are they? Class, interface, enum. Next category. Next category, keywords. Data types and return types. How many are there? 8 plus 1. What are they? Byte short, int long, float double, char boolean, void. Byte short, int long, float double, char boolean, void. I have given you gap between the things. Look at there. Byte short, int long, float double, char boolean, void. Tell me, if you want to remember a mobile number, how can I remember? Okay, I want to remember Rambabu sir mobile number. How I remember? 9866 545966. Okay, I cannot remember all the 10 numbers at a time. That's why what I did, I divided. I divided 4, 2, 2, 2. 9866 545966. Like this I remember. I can easily remember now, right? Same way, you cannot remember 12 keywords at a time. That's why based on the functionality, I divided them. Okay, these are meant for storing integer numbers. These are meant for storing floating point number. It is meant for storing character. It is meant for storing Boolean value. Number, your brother number, your sister number, your father, mother number, right? Same way you have to remember keywords also. Keywords also part of your life. Is it clear? Now, once again, please try to tell me. Once again, please try to tell me. Byte short, int long. You are telling, you must visualize. Your eyes must visualize. Don't tell just like that. Your eyes should visualize. Byte short, int long, even including spelling and each character also. Byte short, int long, float double, char boolean, void. Okay, like that you have to remember. Okay, moving on. Next. Tell me. Memory allocation. For memory allocation, we have 2 keywords. Okay, what are the 2 keywords? Listen. Don't give number. Without giving number, you add static. Don't give number. We have 2 keywords to provide memory, static and new. Okay, static and new. Next, don't give number. I told you don't give number. Why I'm not giving number, I'll tell you later. Next, 5th category. What is the 5th category? Controlling flow of execution. They are called control flow statements. Control flow statements. How many are there? No, 11. 11 keywords are comes under control flow statements. Wait. All these 11 keywords are divided into 3 groups. First group is conditional or branching. Or selective. Conditional or branching or selective statement something. Okay, selection statements or selective statements. Next, second, loop or iterative. Loop or iterative statements. And third, Sorry, it's not branching, it's a selection. Here branching or transfer, branching or transfer statements. Under conditional, how many are there? 5 keywords are there. Expecting all the people to tell. Continuation number 16. Now tell me, what is that? If. Next. Next. If else. No, if else is a concept. Else. Okay. If else is a concept. Okay. If else is a concept. Else is the switch. I mean, else is the keyword. If else is a concept. Okay. Then next tell me. 18th. What is the 18th keyword? Come on. Tell. Switch. Next, switch. Next, switch. Case. Case. Next. Default. It's not break. Okay. Switch case default. Switch case default. If else, switch case default. Break is not comes under conditional. It comes under branching. Okay, na? And tell me next. Under loop or iterative, how many keywords are there? 3. Okay, then tell me. Under loop, what are there? Continuation number 21. While next, for while next, do while or do na? Do while or do na? Do, not do while. Do while is a concept. Do is the keyword. Okay, do while is a concept. Do is the keyword. If else is the concept, else is the keyword. Do while is the concept. Do is the keyword. Okay, and next one, for. Okay, na? So 3 iterative statements are there. While, do, for. There is a confusion. What is the confusion? For has the 2 syntaxes. That is for of semicolon and for of colon. This for of colon is called for each loop. Some people are calling it as a for each loop also comes under iterations. No, for has 2 syntaxes. Okay, right. Then now try to answer. Branching or transfer statements. How many are there? Branching or transfer statements. We have again 3. What are the 3? What are the 3? First one, your favorite, break. Second one, continue. Third one. Everyone should answer. Go to. Okay. Go to is a C language. In Java, there is no go to. Return. Or the keyword? Return keyword. So now you need to answer all the points. Read once again. Control flow statements are divided into 3 sections: conditional, loop, branching. Under conditional we have 5. What are the 5? If, else, switch, case, default. Under loop we have 3: while, do, for. Okay, branching as 3: break, continue, and return. Okay, can you please try to recollect all keywords? recollect all keywords once again. You need to talk. Okay, please try to read quickly. Come on, try. First category keywords are package and import statement. I mean, package creation and usage, two keywords, package and import. Second category keywords are class creation keywords, three. What are the three? Class interface enum. Third category keywords are memory allocation. Sorry, variables and methods creation. What the variables and methods creation keywords? How many are there? 8 plus 1 9. What are they? They are called data types and return types. Byte, short, int, long. Memory allocation keywords we have two. What the two? Static and new. And the fifth category keywords are control flow statements. Okay, control flow statements. Now what are the control flow statements? How many are there? 11. What are the 11? Under conditional we have 5. What are the 5? If, else, switch, case, default. Under loop we have 3. What are the 3? While, while, do, for. Next, under branching we have 3. What are the 3? Break, continue, return. While you are telling keywords, you must visualize those keywords. If you don't visualize, you'll face problem. You know, all these 5 keywords we can organize like this. If you open Java file, first line is package creation, second line is import, third line is class, open bracket, closed bracket. Inside class, variable, method, open bracket, closed bracket. You want allocate memory purpose, you have to specify something keyword here. Static keyword you need to write here. Inside logic, now we need to write if condition, open bracket, closed bracket, or loop, open bracket, closed bracket. Inside loop, break, continue statements you have to write. So this is our complete program ready. Are you catching my point? By the time these 5 keywords usage you understand, these this everything is ready. Program is ready. But now you need to understand here one point. Once my program is ready, I want allow other programmers to access my program. Which variable I want allow, which variable I don't want allow, I must decide. For that, you must apply some accessibility modifiers here. Okay, you need to apply accessibility modifiers, execution level modifiers. Some modifiers concepts is there. You need to apply what? Modifiers. Okay, now let us try to see those keywords. Next category keywords. Next category keywords. Sixth category keywords. What are the 6th category keywords? Accessibility modifiers. Accessibility modifiers, 4 are there. Okay, what are the accessibility modifiers? 4. What are the 4? Try to write. 27. Private, not public. Private. First you have to start with private. Then don't give number. Without giving number, you write angular bracket, default, or are also called package private. Default or package private. Next protected, and last public. Okay, private, default, protected, public. Accessibility modifiers are 4. What the 4? Look at there. Count wise 4, but keywords wise 3. Default is not a keyword. Default is a concept. Default is a concept. Private, protected, public are keywords. Default is not a keyword. If you don't apply private, protect, public, then default will come into picture. Okay, the next 8th one, execution level modifiers. We have 8 execution level modifiers are there. Execution level modifiers are 8. What are they? Continuation number, right? Static, final, abstract, native. What are they? Static, final, abstract, native. Static, final, abstract, native. Okay, static, final, abstract, native. Next category. I mean, same category, next keywords. 34. Right? Right side, okay? Transient, volatile, synchronized, strict EFP. Static, transient, volatile, synchronized, strict EFP. Okay? Private, default, protected, public, static, final, abstract, native, transient, volatile, synchronized, strict EFP. Where is 7, Babu? Where is 7? 8 na 8 keywords. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 8 keywords are there, right? Okay. Start 7. Oh, okay. Serial number 7. Okay, okay. Okay, okay. So now, tell me now how many accessibility modifiers are there? Accessibility modifiers 4, execution level modifiers 8. Can you try to tell? Can you try to repeat all modifiers? Private, default, protected, public. Visualize. Don't look into material. Don't look into notes. Try to visualize yourself. Close notes and try to tell. Private, default, protected, public. Static, final, abstract, native. Transient, volatile, synchronized, strict EFP. All 12 modifiers you visualize side by side. Okay, 4 boxes side by side. First, private, default, protected, public. Second box, static, final, abstract, native. Third box, transient, volatile, synchronized, strict EFP. Okay, now all these 3 boxes you must visualize. Come again, once again, come again, once again. First box is what? Private, static, final. First box is what? Private, default protected public. Second box, static final abstract native. Third box, transient volatile synchronized strict TFP. Okay, fine. Now can you please tell me all keywords once again? Are you ready? I want you to tell all keywords quickly once again. First category, package creation and usage. How many? 2. Package and import. Second category, class creation. How many are there? First category, package. Second category, class creation. How many? 2. 3. Class interface enum. Third category, variables and methods creation. Data types and return types. How many? 8 plus 1, 9. What are they? Byte short, int long, float double, char boolean, and void. Fourth category, allocating memory. To allocate memory, how many keywords are required? We need 2 keywords, static and new. Next, controlling flow of execution inside method. How many are there? 11. What are the 11? They are divided into 3 groups, conditional, loop, and branching. What are the conditional statements? If, else, switch case default. Under loop, we have 3, while, do, for. Under branching, 3, break, continue, return. Okay, the next 6th category, accessibility modifiers. Accessibility modifiers will apply here only, okay? Accessibility modifiers will apply here only to the variable. Who should access this variable? Private, default, protected, public. Execution level modifiers also will apply to the variable and method here only. Then what are the execution level modifiers? 8. What are the 8? Static, final, abstract, native, transient, volatile, synchronized, strict TFP. So these are the total 7 categories. Okay. Now I have, by applying these 7 categories, my program is ready. But this program is what type of program? Is it a person type or animal type or what type you need to specify? That is called, you know, 8th category, establishing for this we have 2 keywords. If you want to create deriving from other class, we have 2 keywords. Continuation 38, extends 39, implements. Okay, extends and implements. Look at here, we have class and interface now. If you want to create a class from the class, we have to create, you have to use extends. If you want to create a class from interface, we must use what? Implements. And then next, 9th one is what? Representing object and its members. How many are there? 3. What the 3? Continuation number 40. This. Look at here, I have created one class already there. I'm creating another class deriving from an existing class. Then here we have 2 classes. One is super class, another is called subclass. This class members I want to access. Super class members I want access. To access this class members, we use this keyword. And if you want to access super class members, we use super keyword. This super. Sometimes we don't know it is a subclass object or super class object. We don't know. For that knowing purpose, we use instance of. This super instance of. These 3 keywords are meant for representing object and its members. This represents to current class, super reference to super class, instance of meant for finding which object is created. Which class object is it. The next 10th category, user mistakes. Handling user mistakes, nothing but exception handling. We call exception handling. Under exception handling, how many keywords are there? 5 plus 1. Okay, totally 6 keywords are there. What are they? Tell me. Exception is a kind of error. Exception is a error. When error is coming, we must throw error now. Exception is a error. We must throw error. It's like a ball. Okay, first you must throw. When you are throwing, you must inform throws. throws, and when you throw ball, there is a fielder. What he will do? When you throw ball, fielder, what he will do? He will try to catch it, and finally he will again either rethrow or do something. Okay, finally he will do something with that ball. Okay, na? Throws, try, catch, finally. And last keyword is assert. This assert keyword available from 1.4 version. Can you come here? Strict-FP keyword is available from 1.2 version. Add these version numbers. Remaining all keywords are available from 1.0. So these keywords are comes under exception handling. Everyone comfortable? Then tell me, how many keywords are there? Java supports totally 50 keywords. How many categories? 10 categories. 10 categories completed, but still 48 keywords only coming. Remaining 2 keywords, where they went? Remaining 2 keywords. We have not given number, no. There is no number to default. There is no number to static. Why there is no number to static? Because already I am using static here. 2 times I cannot give the number. Why have not used given number to the default? Because already default number is there. Okay, listen. We have 2 more keywords are there. Unimplemented keywords. Unimplemented keywords 49. Go to and const. These 2 keywords are C++ language keywords. Okay, go to and const keywords are belongs to C++. In Java, these 2 words are created as a keywords but not implemented. They don't have any functionality. Okay, why they are not implemented? I'll tell you. Okay, totally how many keywords are there? 50 keywords came. Listen, in Java 11 version, in Java 9 version, we have one more new keyword came. Java 9 version new keyword. Java 9 version new keyword. How many came? 1. Unimplemented keywords, how many? 2. Java 9 version keyword 51, that is underscore. So tell me, so latest version, totally how many keywords are there? 51 keywords are there. Hope all you people understood 51 keywords. Can you please remember all these 51 keywords will you by heart? Sir, in interview room, they will give you one question, identify valid keywords. If you want to identify valid keywords, first of all, you have to remember all these 51 keywords. Na? If you remember all these 51 keywords, then you can make it valid keywords, find valid keywords. Understand? So practice all these 51 keywords by heart. Practice means by heart, and tell yourself by heart and tell yourself. Okay. So by tomorrow you are coming to class. I want you remember all these 51 keywords. And in Java 9 version, 10 more new keywords are given, 10 more keywords given, and we'll discuss them. And also I will ask some questions related to valid and not valid keywords. Okay, now? So don't miss tomorrow class. Tomorrow we are going to have next topic. Okay. After keywords, we have some reserved words. Tomorrow we are going to end up this topic. Okay. And we enter it into complete object oriented programming. Thank you everyone. See you tomorrow. Bye. Thank you. Just bear me 2 days. Okay. So today new batch link got changed, and once they are settled, and I will start the class, your class and their class together at 9 o'clock. Okay, now 9 to 11, I'll take 2 hours. Thank you. Thank you. Just bear me 2 days. Thank you.